Hey there, tech lovers! Black Friday 2024 is here, and we've done the legwork to uncover the absolute best tech deals you can't afford to miss. Let's dive in. First on our list, the Apple MacBook Air with the blazing fast M3 chip, normally priced at $1,099. It's now only $849 on Amazon, a massive $250 in savings. Perfect for work, play, and everything in between. Next up, audiophiles. The Sony WH-1000 XM4. Known for its premium noise cancellation and superior sound, these headphones are now just $194, down from $349. That's a steal! Turn your living room into an art gallery with the Samsung 65-inch frame TV. Regularly $1,897. Now it's yours for just $1,200. A jaw-dropping $700 discount. For on-the-go audio lovers, grab the Apple AirPods Pro 2 for just $170, down from $249. Unmatched sound and seamless pairing at a bargain price. Finally, meet your new cleaning buddy, the iRobot Roomba Combo J7 Plus. Usually $999, now it's $699, saving you $300 on a smart device that vacuums and mops. These deals are hot and selling fast, so don't wait. Want to stay in the loop on the latest tech deals and reviews? Hit that subscribe button, tap the bell, and join us at the Inspect Aspect. Happy Black Friday shopping!